They give you a certificate. This certificate of appreciation is given to Miss Rebecca Tamparo in appreciation of contribution of her talents and efforts for Power Pinay program. A seminar and an open forum on livelihood baking demonstration is given to this 22nd day of November 2008 in the year of our Lord at Barangay 78, Zone 79. Baka po natin si Miss Rebecca. Miss Nikas, this certificate of appreciation from
One, two, three. Sabay. One, two, three.
Thank you po, Mrs. Terita Nita.
One, two.
Susunod po, bibigyan po namin kayo ng certificate para po sa partisipasyon nyo sa programang ginawa namin ngayon. Charisse Robles, Adelfa Oriantes, Rosita Ginto,
Elisa Valdez,
Yolanda Atienza, Josefina Soriano, Melinda Correzo, Nenita Mendoza, Tessie Duran, Nenita Mendoza, Natividad Medina, Richelle Baniquet, Mary Joy Duda, Maribel Deogrades, Mary Ann Patarata, Rosario Mendoz, Jasmine Ibanez, Ami Verano, Lolita Dambo, Anita Reyes, Imelda Villanueva, Edith Yantino, Merly Estilier, Marcia Winto. Yung survey po, pakipasa sa unahan. Yung survey, tapos na po. Saka yung board, pakipasa.